up?
We got a fucking retard riding a bike in front of us. Technically, it's my fucking bike. And my retarded cousin. We don't know where the fuck he's going right now.
He's fucking cruising. Leave him alone.
Michael, keep your eyes on the road. Oh, shit. Pull up beside him if you can.
Man, no, he's fucking swerving. Fuck that.
Shit, we are too. Pull up beside him. Oh, fuck, it hurts.
He's gonna fucking, watch. He's gonna be in the grass. He's gonna get in the grass. Turn, damn it!
Oh shit! He's gonna have to crawl.
Oh my fuck!
I'm crying. Watch out, little doggy.
Oh my god, dude. He can't turn with this shit. Oh my god.
Oh fuck.
This is fucking going on Facebook. Turn, damn it. Look around. He's like the fucking mailbox.
Oh dude. Beep at him. Slow down,
dumbass. He don't give a fuck. He's going to wreck in this turn, look.
Hey, Michael! Michael!
He can't hear you.
Michael! Hey! Stop!
He ain't fucking stopping.
Don't stop. Go! Oh, shit. I wonder if he knows how to stop.
I don't think he does. That's why he just keeps going around in a circle. What the fuck's he looking at?
He don't know where to go.
Go straight! Go straight! Go straight!
Michael, just kill it!